Hi, today we create audio visualizer. Tutorial very friendly beginner. I show step by step how to create this effect. I have a more awesome tutorial. If you want, check my channel. Let's start. Delete all. Create plane. Scale 10 time. Tab. Subdivide. Subdivide 50 time. Create cylinder. 6. Select cylinder, click shift and plane. Ctrl+P, object. Now we need go to object properties, instancing, vertices and turn off viewport and render. Now select cylinder and scale down. Scale Y axis. Select plane. Add displace modifier. Create new texture. Here you can choose type. This time I choose cloud. If you want, here change size or deep. Shift A, create empty. Go to displacement and coordinates, choose to object empty. Now you can scale, move and plane react what you're doing. Okay, select empty. Go to object properties. Select location and insert keyframe. Move to last frame and insert another keyframe. Open graph editor. Go to first frame. Select plane. Go to displace and change straight 1.2. Insert keyframe. Now we need go to graph editor. Click K. Bake sound to curve. Open music file. Now you see reaction. Create speaker, Shift A. Go to speaker settings and open same music file. Voila! Now you already know how to create music visualizer in Blender. Okay, open shade editor and add color, light, camera and go render settings. Select cylinder, click new, change viewport, Shift A, add sun, Shift A, search geometry, again Shift A, separate X, Y, Z, position to vector, search color ramp, connect Z to fact, color to base color, and change color. Change what you like. I think looks pretty good. Now create light. Change power 10,000. Rotate. Move a little bit. Now we need camera. Shift A. Camera. Move good position. And click Ctrl Alt 0. I think this plays good. Go to render settings. I choose cycle, GPU, max sample 150. Turn on the noise. You see my light path. My resolution 4K. Frame rate 24. Choose output, place. File format PNG. If you want, play with focal length. Turn on motion blur. Dot 4. Go to render animation. That's it. Now you know how to create audio visualizer. This technique very easy. If you like what you see, click like. Don't forget subscribe my channel. And now I say goodbye.